In this video, I'm going to tell you the best way to achieve financial freedom without sacrificing your time with your loved ones. In fact, what I'm going to reveal in this video is perhaps my single most important project that could change your life and your way of thinking. Now, you've probably all been following the news. People are losing their jobs left and right now. And in the midst of mass layoffs from Google, Apple, Amazon, and all these top companies around the world, people have come to the abrupt realization that their day jobs simply are not safe. And here's a sad story. A couple of weeks ago, a friend and I had a long conversation about the skyrocketing cost of going to college. His daughter just started college in the fall, and he was barely going to be able to scrape by with the large quarterly tuition payments. And then bam, one morning, he showed up to work and noticed that the door to his office was locked, and then he was promptly escorted out of the building. His steady paycheck instantly vanished just like that. He went from earning a healthy salary with benefits to zero income. Now he's debating whether to tell his daughter or consider pulling her out of school, and it's an extremely difficult situation. Now, the reality of any day job is that you can be released at any time, and you are at the mercy of your boss when it comes time to get evaluated for raises and bonuses. Now, I was just looking up some stats just the other day, and here's what I found. Not only are your jobs not safe or guaranteed, but 84% of millennials have experienced burnout at their jobs, 50% of employees consider themselves disengaged from their work, and almost half of the Americans fear being laid off this year. Now, if these stats scare you, then you aren't alone. Most people, including myself, have been led to believe that entrepreneurship is only for the chosen few. People with connections, money, or just people who are creative. But that is simply not true. You probably don't believe me, but all it takes is a dream and the motivation to get off your butt. In fact, the best way for me to prove this to you is to tell you a story. My story. Now, the year was 2007, and my wife and I, we were victims of a dreaded condition known as complacency. Now, if you've never heard of this terrible condition before, it's a disease that leads to spending 10 hours a day at a job that you don't particularly like. It's an illness that stops you from pursuing your personal goals and aspirations because you can never find the time. It is a debilitating condition that causes you to trudge through each day, doing the same daily grind as life quickly passes you by. Now, back then, my wife and I used to get up early in the morning, go to work, eat dinner, sleep, and then wake up again the next day to repeat the cycle. Days quickly faded into weeks, weeks dissolved into months, and months soon became years of the exact same routine. Now, even though we both made a pretty good salary from our day jobs, we were just coasting our way through life like lifeless zombies. We weren't challenging ourselves, we weren't trying new things, and we stayed within our comfort zone when making important decisions. We had no sense of purpose, and we were unmotivated and stagnant. Now, it sounds harsh, but my wife and I were just going through the motions and living a pretty conventional life. Now, even though we had a lot of free time, we always ended up wasting it on empty activities. For example, our day consisted of working from 9 to 6:30 p.m., eating dinner, then watching TV until it was time to go to bed. Days and weeks went by quickly, and we didn't have anything to show for it. And even when I try really hard, I am unable to recall any specific memories during that period of my life. The only thing I remember is I watched a hell of a lot of TV and that my wife was terribly unhappy with her day job. In fact, the only memory that stands out in my mind was how much she dreaded having to go to work each and every day. Every morning, she would kiss me goodbye and then say with a really long face, "Honey, I'm off to the hellhole I call my job now." Now, it was particularly painful for me because I had to watch her drag herself out of bed and witness her suffer every single morning. And even though she changed companies several times during her career, she never felt fulfilled working at any of her jobs. And what's ironic is that my wife and I talked about achieving financial freedom and being our own boss, but we never got around to it. We talked about starting a side hustle on many occasions, but never took any action until this happened. My wife became pregnant. Now, I still don't fully comprehend how peeing on a stick could stir up so many emotions, but my wife and I became excited and terrified at the same time. For one thing, I got a sudden injection of motivation and enthusiasm. All of a sudden, I felt like I needed to get off my butt and become a better person. I felt like I needed to be more responsible and to take charge of my life. I felt like I needed to get my act together and provide for my family. Now, as millions of thoughts swirled through my head, my primary concern became financial security. We needed a bigger house. We needed to live in a better school district. We needed to start a college fund. We needed an emergency fund so large that we could survive even if I lost my job or got laid off. Now, as for my wife, she wanted to quit her job so she could take care of our child full time. She didn't want to miss a single minute of our baby's childhood. Now, the only problem was that with the additional expense of having a child, she didn't want to place a major crimp on our lifestyle or our finances. As a result, we need to find another way to make money and replace her six-figure salary. Hence, our online store, Bumblebee Linens, was born. Now, even though things started out slowly, our online store managed to replace my wife's salary of $100K within 1 year. And having our own business allowed her to stay at home and take care of our child while running our online store at the same time. And the best part was that my wife didn't have to put in nearly as many hours as her day job to make significantly more money, and she was much happier too. Now today, my wife and I run $2 million businesses working just 20 hours per week with plenty of time for family and friends. I coach my kids' basketball and volleyball teams and help with homework, and my wife volunteers at my kids' schools. In fact, my wife ran the entrepreneurship program for my daughter's school last year. Now looking back, we started Bumblebee Linens for only $630. We didn't know anything about e-commerce, we didn't know anything about business, and we didn't know anything about websites. Now it's taken me almost 3 years, but I documented my entire journey, all my strategies, everything, into my book called The Family First Entrepreneur: How to Achieve Financial Freedom Without Sacrificing What Matters Most. So what sets apart the Family First Entrepreneur philosophy from all the other business books that you've read? Well, first off, this is a book about entrepreneurship, but not the kind they tell you about in business school or that you often hear about online. Now, if you can relate to my wife and I's story, you probably don't seek to become world famous or ridiculously rich. Now, you might not say no to those things, but we probably have similar priorities. You want a good life and the freedom to enjoy it. But here's the problem with 99% of the business and entrepreneurship advice out there. They all preach that you need to work 80 hours a week and hustle your butt off to get ahead. In fact, a popular saying is that entrepreneurs are willing to work 80 hours a week to avoid working 40 hours a week for someone else. Well, I'm calling BS on this. If you follow this advice, then you'll end up sacrificing your time and your freedom for the promises of riches, work yourself to the bone, and lose what precious time you had to spend with your loved ones. Now, on my podcast, which I've run since 2014, I've interviewed over 450 successful entrepreneurs who are just killing it with their multi-million-dollar businesses. But what you don't hear about publicly is that they don't see their family much, or that they're totally burned out or stressed out. You don't hear about the huge sacrifices that they had to make in order to get there. So in this book, I will share with you an alternative to the hustle culture nonsense we so often hear about in relation to achieving financial success. You can, in fact, achieve financial success without being a stranger to your kids. You can make good money and have the freedom to enjoy it. And you don't have to work 80 hours a week and be a slave to your business just to make it all work. So if you're tired of hearing from a bunch of single men or women or 20-something kids who drive fancy cars and brag about how hard they work or how much they make, I will give you a different perspective from a father who makes both business and family work. Now, my book is available for pre-order right now at the link below. Now, the book doesn't come out until May, but I'm including a bunch of free bonuses that you can access immediately that will help you create your own side hustle right away. So first off, I'm going to be giving a special 6-week Family First Side Hustle Challenge where I will personally help you make your first $1,000 online. And as part of this 6-week challenge, I will be giving live presentations and answering your questions in a private Facebook group for 6 weeks straight on how to achieve financial freedom with a family first side hustle. By the end of the challenge, you will learn how to find and evaluate your side hustle options, how to create a profitable offer, product, or service to sell on the side, how to put up your own website on a budget, how to make your first $1,000 online, and how to free up your schedule so you can spend more time with your family. I'm also giving you 2 full-blown workshops that will teach you how to make money with 2 side hustles that literally will cost you only $3 to start. Now, I call these business models gateway drugs because they will allow you to make money on the side that will eventually lead you to a much bigger business. It's all about baby steps. All right, so the first workshop is my 3-day print-on-demand workshop. If you are interested in starting a profitable and flexible side hustle without carrying inventory, then print-on-demand is the perfect solution for you. Print-on-demand is where you sell products that are only printed or produced after you've received an order. Now, in this workshop, we will cover all the essential steps and techniques needed to successfully launch your own print-on-demand shop, from product sourcing and design to marketing and fulfillment. Now, the beauty of a print-on-demand business is that you can get started for very little money. This workshop will include step-by-step instructions on how to launch your own print-on-demand website for just $3 a month. And by the end of the workshop, you will have a great-looking website with your own domain, learn how to create your own print-on-demand products for free, understand how to convert sales, and learn how to generate traffic. Now, the second freebie workshop is my 2-day workshop on how to make passive income with content. Now, my blog over at mywifequitherjob.com makes over $1 million per year. This YouTube channel makes over $300,000 per year, and my podcast generates over $100,000 per year. In this workshop, you'll learn how to make passive income with content, blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, by selling digital products, memberships, coaching, affiliate marketing, advertising, and more. And by the end of this workshop, you'll have a website and a strategy for generating passive income with the content of your choice. You will have a great-looking website with your own domain, learn how to create content, and understand how to monetize your content. And finally, I'm taking this show on the road, and we'll be throwing book parties all over the US, depending on where you live. I would love to meet you all in person and maybe even sign a book or two. Now, once you fill out the pre-order form below and sign up for my email list, I'll let you know where I'll be and when. You'll also be automatically entered into a special pre-launch giveaway where I'll be giving away free course memberships, one-on-one consults, tickets to my e-commerce conference, and more. Now, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I always pay it forward, and for this book, it's not going to be any different.